what's going on, everyone? It's Dustin over here with Campaign Sharks, and I have an amazing video for you today that I think you're gonna love, okay? In this video today, the topic is gonna be my most successful campaign, how I did it. I'm gonna take you on a deep dive throughout the exact process. First, I'm gonna show you on the board, and then we're gonna dive into my computer and actually go step by step so that you can create this in your business. So, step number one, okay? Part of the most successful campaign is you have to have a customer list, okay? If you don't have a customer list, we can go into more detail about how you can get that. But needless to say, hopefully you have a list of current leads into your business. You might not have them segmented out at this point, but that's okay. I can show you how to do that. But what you want to have is a list of buyers, okay? Someone that has purchased your product, let's say yesterday, if not 10 years ago. It doesn't matter. We will just want to find buyers at the end of the day. That way we can create an awesome list of individuals and create exact people like those individuals, or very, very close, okay? And all this is really data driven. So step number one is you want to create the list, okay? Once we have the list, that's awesome, okay? The list is going to consist of buyers. Once you have your list of pretty much buyers, customers, past buyers, all that good stuff, what we're going to do is we're going to actually upload this. And there's going to be a strategic way of actually how you upload this. That way you get it right every time. There's kind of a strategy to this as well. Once you create this and upload this and you have that custom audience built, what we're going to do, okay, is we're going to create a lookalike audience of people that are already our customers. We would like people like them, okay? Instead of trying to chase everyone, what we're going after is those types of individuals. It makes the process better, and that way you're attracting the dream client to your business. So what we're gonna do really quick is in the next 2 seconds, we're gonna go ahead and dive in on my computer, and I'm gonna take you a deep dive on how everything works, how to set this up. That way you can start attracting more of your dream clients into your business. Hey, what's going on, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to take you into that deep dive like I was talking about, okay? So let's go ahead and rock and roll. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of some of this stuff. I'm going to have to blur out some of this top just for privacy's sake. So what we're going to go ahead and start off with is in your Facebook, okay? This is going to be your business manager. First step you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on all tools, okay? Right here. Once you click on all tools, what you're going to go to next is going to be your audience, okay? So once you click on here, I'm going to show you the exact process of how to do this. So you're going to go over here. You notice we have a bunch of different audiences that have been created. We use these for different ad sets whenever we are split testing and that kind of thing. But what we're going to do here is we're going to click on Create Audience. You're going to click on Custom Audience, all right? So once we click that, you're going to have to upload that customer file, okay? There is a strategic way on how to do this. Let me go back, that way I don't rush it, okay? So click on customer file, this top one here. Add customers from your own file. So hopefully, like I said before, you have your list of pretty much people. So a little tip on this is you want to go ahead and download this file template, okay? The reason why is that way you upload it correctly to kind of like Facebook's standards, so that it grabs more of the data. So you're going to click on download template. This is what's going to pull up, okay? You got email, phone. You can kind of complete that. But the main things that you're going to need, I made it really simple for us over here in an Excel document, is you're going to need your email, okay, right here. You're going to need phone, first name, last name, city, and state, okay? Makes it a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do next, I know I'm going pretty fast, but I just want to make sure you understand what we're doing. You're going to go into your funnel, okay? What you're going to do is you have like all funnel steps. We don't really want that. We want the buyers, okay? So for me, I already have a funnel that's created under buyers. Show contacts for the last all time, okay? We're going to go ahead and click download contacts. And what it's going to do, it's going to export all the contacts. You can do this in pretty much any CRM system you have. Currently, we're just using ClickFunnels. Makes it just easy. That's where we build most of our landing pages and that kind of thing. So this might take a while to download because there are a lot of buyers, but I want to repeat that process with you just that way you know exactly what we did. So I'm going to go a little bit slower this time. That thing looks like it's going to take a minute to download. So again, what we're going to do is you're going to go over here, okay, in your Ads Manager tool, Business Manager. Drop down arrow, you're going to click on All Tools. Again, you're going to go back under Audiences. Once we're under Audiences, you're going to create Custom Audience. Like I said, you're going to grab a list of your current buyers, okay? That's very important. So you can download the template here. That way it just kind of gives you, you might have more data, okay? You might have email, phone number. I'm trying to show you all of them. You got first name, you got last name, you got zip code. Sorry, I never use, what is this? Numbers. I typically use Excel. I don't know why it's pulling it up. But pretty much the data that I'm going to need is going to be my email, phone number, first name, last name, CT, which is going to be their city, and then their state, okay? So if you notice here, you got first name, last name, zip code, city, state. I don't have the zip, but I do have pretty much all this other information for the most part. And if I don't have it, I just won't put it in. Let's go ahead and download this really quick. So boom, we got everything that we need here. Again, I'm going to blur this out so that just for privacy's sake. But all I'm going to do is click on email. I'm going to scroll down. This is just a few of my buyers off of one funnel. We got a lot of them. I didn't realize there was that many. But we got pretty much 785. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go over here into email. We're just going to paste it. It's taking a little second to load. So we have email. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to try to find the phone. Scroll back up to the top of this thing. This is sad that I don't use numbers. You can probably tell. All right, perfect. So we have last name. So we're going to grab these really quick. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, but I'm just doing it the way that I know how to do it. Good news is I have a pretty good mouse. It scrolls down to the bottom pretty quick. Command C. We're going to go over here to first name. We're going to go ahead and paste all those. A few of those are tests, but a lot of them are real people. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go over, oh, that was first name. On there, needless to say, we have first name here. I might speed this video so that way you don't have to watch me copy all the data over. Alright, now that I'm back, so I had to fast forward that a little bit, that way you can see what I was doing. But now we're back, and we're going to go ahead and save this. File, save as. We're going to go CSV file. We're just going to call this buyers. Probably should have put that on the desktop. Be easier to find that way. All right. Now we're ready to upload. So we have our buyers list. I'm going to upload that really quick. Always click this button here, directly from customers, okay? You have your buyers list. You can call it buyers, call it whatever you want. Go to next. You just want to match everything up. So we got the emails matched up, we got the phone numbers matched up, the first names, the last names. I'm going to cut off this city one. I'm just going to do not upload it. You're more than welcome to. Same thing with state, just because the way that I'm going to be marking. But you're more than welcome to keep that if you'd like. We're just going to keep it simple. We got email, phone number, first name, last name. We're going to go ahead and upload and create. And this might take a little bit of time to actually upload. Boom. So we have 784 actual buyers, at least on this one funnel. So that's what we're going to be using. Go ahead and click done. Now, okay, hasn't populated yet. Just a little trick here, okay? You typically want at least 100 actual people before we start creating the next step, okay? So now we have our custom audiences as our buyers, okay? So these are the people that are super, super hot. They've already actually purchased something from you, okay? Now this next step is what we're trying to do is create a campaign of more people that are very, very close to those individuals. And let me show you how we go about doing that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on create an audience. Instead of custom audience, we're gonna go click on lookalike audience, all right? And there's a strategy to this, okay? So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna go ahead and create new custom audience. Oh, sorry about that. Create new lookalike audience. Give this a second to pull up. And what we're gonna type in is buyers. Under other sources, okay? And then you can do location, okay? You can do USA, well, actually United States. And then whenever you go down into the targeting, let's say that you're not trying to target the entire United States, you can sub-market that down into your local area if you are a local business, only trying to market, let's say, within a 5-mile radius, okay? So the trick on this, okay? I've done a lot of split tests. You don't want to just focus on this one. You would think, okay, strategically that Facebook kind of has it all together and they're like, yes, 1%, that's definitely going to give you, you know, the best conversions and the more type of people that are going to be interested, let's say, in your product or your service. But that doesn't happen to be the case, okay? If you click over here on Show Advanced Options, okay, what you're going to do, this is like a little hack for you, all right? Under Number of Audiences, instead of clicking 3, you're going to click on 6, okay? Very strategic here. What we're going to do is, yes, we're going to go from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and then 5 to 10%, okay? And believe it or not, out of my split testing, everything I've done, typically this 2 to 3 will typically give me the best conversions, okay? And just more people that are interested in that product or service that we are marketing, okay? So just a little tip here on what you're going to be doing, and I'm going to show you what's going to happen once we do this. Is it's actually going to create not just one, okay, but 6 different audiences. That way we can split test from the ad set standpoint and see what's going to be actually converting the best. So if you would like more help, okay, on setting up campaigns and setting up advertising campaigns that actually convert, what I want you to do is go to www.campaignsharks.com and just take a look around, check out some of the case studies that we've done for other clients, and hopefully you can be our next success story. We'll see you soon.